Greetings, 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 and welcome back if this is not your first time to this space where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. So follow, and if you want more people to hear God's word in the Jamaican language, then do us a favor, please click the like button, leave a comment on this video, and share it with as many people as you can. And of course, if you don't subscribe yet, the good thing is when you subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will get notified every time a new video is posted every day, 5 o'clock Jamaican time.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
So today I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as gone to Matthew chapter 21 verse 12 and verse 13. Then Jesus go in a God house and start fling out all of the people them with it in there a sell and a buy. The people them where did a change out money, Jesus pitch over for them table and turn over the chair for all who did there a sell dove. Him said to them, say, it write down in a God word say, for me house, I go be one house where people come for pray. But who no turn it in a one hideout for thief. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.